Hello, hi everyone. Welcome to our Model Maths YouTube channel. If you are newly watching, please subscribe our channel. So today, my viewers are, I think those are new viewers, newly subscribers, I think. So I'm not criticizing anyone. I'm just going to give some important things about our app and why do you believe me, why do you trust me, how do you get videos, what is importance of our app. So these type of similar things I'm going to explain you, so please watch until end of this video. Okay, today we have offer, what is price, what is coupon code, everything I will tell you. So my first thing is, this is about regarding Emcet 2023 for both TS and AP crash course. Obviously within few days we have board exams. After that we should prepare for Emcet classes. So that's why crash course in 40 days. Today date is March 7, Holy Day. Next in Telangana, May 7, 8, 9 are the exam dates. May. So now onwards, exactly 60 days time is available for you and for me also. Why I am saying for me, I have to make all the videos. Okay, one by one I will explain my experience. Some people are asking, actually do you have experience in this classes? Yes, who are watching our videos, they know very well. They know very well. In YouTube channel, only 10,000 above subscribers are there, and since 2-3 years they are following our videos. You see, if I don't have experience, then how I can make those type of videos? Those are completely not step by step. Those are based on exam. So very useful videos I made with my experience, because of I started my teaching field when I was in degree second year. So there onwards I am in this teaching field. So in this intermediate I have 11 years experience. I am a government lecturer. Since 2014 for intermediate classes for maths students I am teaching. I think it is enough to know about my experience. I worked in Sri Medha Major Institute also in Hyderabad before getting job. Okay, I think you understood what I am in my experience. So no worry about concept, no worries about subject. That's clear. Next, this is also I completed. I studied in Usman University 2008 to 2010 batch for MSc Maths I completed. Immediately next year I completed B.Ed, that is also in Usman University, IASC OU Study Circle. Not in a normal college, not in a out of college. I am a ranker in Usman University. So that's why you can believe me in the subject. Not only inter, I taught from first class to PG students, but most of the subject I gained in intermediate, mostly. Next, why you trust me? You see our videos, YouTube videos, and I have my own students in my college. If I do not complete the syllabus, they will ask me definitely. Am I right? So my own students who are studying in my college, can they leave me if I do not complete the syllabus? So because of my app, what is the app? Model Maths app. In this Model app, I am giving the Emcet classes. I am putting the videos in the app. If you subscribe and if you install, then after if you purchase, you are able to watch our classes. If all classes are not available in the video, I think you don't know who I am, I don't know who you are. That is secondary thing. But before you or my students can't ask me, or my students leave me if I do not complete whole topic. Are you clear? Or you got the point? Yes, that's why we can easily trust me. You can easily trust me. Don't bother about completing the syllabus. Next, okay sir, I will trust you. Just you are saying. So how it is possible in this 60 days? Actually, we have 60 days time now onwards. How it is possible in this 60 days? Even I am saying here 40 days crash course. After 15th, after 31st, I think so, we will start Emcet classes. But for me, few days started, 2-3 days started to start the classes, Emcet classes. But how it is possible? It's very simple. In Maths 2A, we have 10 chapters. 2B, we have 10 chapters. And 1A, we have 7 chapters. 1B, we have 10 chapters. 1A, why 7 chapters? Yes, very good. 30% syllabus are deleted. So for 1A, 1B, 70% syllabus only you will be asked in the exam. This is 100% syllabus. That is total topics I must teach you. And here 70% syllabus only. Here one more plus point, that you no need to think about what is 70%, what is 100%. Because of I take the syllabus, I will teach you what you need. Okay, how it is possible? Every day only totally 10, 10, 20, 30, 37 chapters. 37 chapters. Even it's a big chapter, it consists of 6 videos or 5 videos. I will complete in one day. I can complete it one single day. Because of now onwards, I am very freely. So 15th onwards, I am very free because of my students also going to do exam. What I can do, what I do, I think you understand. And half day schools, March 15th onwards. And completely April also, holidays. So holidays are there. I can take some leaves. So, or averagely, one day, one video I can complete. And in these small chapters also there, if sometimes, if one day I do not put video, that means in second day I don't get time in that small topic, I can cover, maybe covered in 1 or 2 videos only. For example, hyperbolic functions. Am I right? If you take Maths 2B, locus, transformation of axis, small topics. For AP students, transformation of axis is not in syllabus. For Telangana students, you must follow transformation of axis. Okay, direction, ratios, cosines, it's a small topic. So the planes, it's a small topic. Coordinate geometry is a small topic. Okay, parabola, ellipse, hyperbola, these are all similar things. It may be take parabola for more videos. For hyperbola and ellipse, it takes some less time, less videos. So why it is not possible? Because of, if I don't have possibility to complete, how you can complete? I'm a teacher, I know the subject, I have to deliver, but you have to learn. If I can't, then do you can? Are you clear? Yes. Next, I think how it is possible? You are clear. My target is April 2nd week. My target is April 2nd week. Or if any inconveniences, it may take April 3rd week. That's it. That's the final. So last thing, I complete. So అర్థమవుతుంది అనుకుంటాను. నా ఎక్స్పీరియన్స్ ఏంటంటే 2014 నుంచి నేను ఈ ఫీల్డ్లో ఉన్నాను, గవర్నమెంట్ లెక్చరర్. మీరు వదిలేసిన మా స్టూడెంట్స్ వాళ్ళ కోసమైనా నేను చెప్పాల్సిందే. నేనేదో యాప్ తీసుకోమని చెప్పేసి మనీ కట్టేసి నేను అట్లా సైడ్ పోయే రకం కాదు. మీరు చూడొచ్చు మన యాప్ యొక్క వీడియోస్, మన వీడియోస్ యాప్ కాకుండా మన ఐపీ అన్ని క్లాసెస్ మన యూట్యూబ్ ఛానల్లో ఉన్నాయి, అన్ని ఆల్మోస్ట్ కవర్ చేసాం. బట్ ఇంకా దానికంటే ఇక్కడ ఏంటంటే ఇది ఒక రెస్పాన్సిబిలిటీ, బికాస్ ఆఫ్ ఐఎమ్ టేకింగ్ మనీ ఫ్రమ్ యువర్ సైడ్. సో దిస్ ఇస్ ఎ హ్యూజ్ రెస్పాన్సిబిలిటీ టు మీ. I should justice you. Then only I will get good name. Then only you can give more publicity. So I can't give more publicity from my side. Only publicity is possible only through the your side. If you tell to your friend, definitely 100% they can listen. Even I tell to my student also, they listen or not. A new person, if student is a new person, but if you tell to others, definitely they will listen. So please share this information today only because of we have one day only offer. So for some students, I am actually today only offer is there, this holy offer. For tomorrow afternoon or evening up to this offer is extended. So how much it is price? How much it is price? How to download? I am giving the description for Play Store students also. I am giving description in the description link. And some people are using iPhone using. They are asking, sir, how to download iPhone? It is not possible. So I am giving the link in the description. You have to contact me. I will give you a code. If you enter that code in iPhone also, it is possible to download and you can listen the classes. So those facilities I am giving, each and every facility. Okay, sir. So I can download. You can download Model Maths app if you do not download from Play Store. Then after you have to purchase. That's very clear. So that is compulsory. Because of freely I can't complete. Because of I'm doing hard work, I need time to spend this, and I should spend my time to you, and I am giving knowledge. Okay, very less price that is. Obviously in offline centers, you have to go there, you have to spend there. Am I right? You should pay the fees at least 10,000 to 15,000. Am I right? Crash course fees, and for room rent, expenditure, so etc. etc. But here our price is very less comparing with offline or any another online centers, and this offer is valid only few days. Actually our price is not 6,000 actually, but I have given 66.6%. That is, our price is 1999 rupees. Is it less or not? Just a simple amount, that is. Just it is not a 1 month room rent for you. But today is holy. According to holy, only today I have given offer. Only today. In this 1999, again I have given 25% discount. 25%. Only one day. Only today only. For some students, I extended up to tomorrow afternoon only. Okay, what is holy offer? How to apply? 25% discount means you get 14 something 86 and 41 additional charges. This common. In 1999 also you have to pay additional charges. I think 2052 something. So that I don't get that amount. That is common thing. Here also 15, I think 40 something you have to pay. 1540 I think. So is it very less or not? 1540 means how much it is? You tell me. How many ways, how many times you waste that amount? What is your college fees? What is your exam fees in a college at least? So comparing with any things, 1540 is not a simple amount. So hurry up, immediately purchase and watch our videos. There, the first chapter complex numbers completed today. Today I am keeping uploading videos. Tomorrow I will complete Demo's theorem, and similarly one by one I will complete that one. Within 10 days you can see how many videos are there. You can see. But after 10 days you do not get this offer. Even not you do not get this offer. It will be increased. Okay. I am not responsible if it is increased. Why I should increase means that is compulsory, because of I to conduct the test for you also, like how in the exam, final exam is there in that way. So that's right. So what is coupon code? You click on buy option, and that above buy option, apply coupon code option is there. Click on apply coupon code. In that you enter Holy Dhamaka. You enter Holy Dhamaka. Again I am saying this offer only one day. Holy Dhamaka. Actually today only, up to today, tomorrow afternoon also is available. But mostly you better to take immediately. If you have any technical problem, if you have any net problem, I am not responsible. If you have any technical problem, immediately you can contact me today or up to tomorrow morning only. So my contact number is 8498984512. Please call me only for this information only. Okay. So I'm not free to say about any your personal things. So coupon code is Holi Dhamaka, Holi offer 1540 only. So very less than. So our price is actually 6000. Maths 1A, 1B, 2A, 2B, 4 subjects I have to deliver, and exams also I have to conduct. See, so I can't give this less time, this less amount in our whole Emcet crash course. Only this is 2 days. So thank you watching. Thank you very much. Okay. Finally, what is our app? Model Maths. Very good. Model Maths. See in this icon thumbnail also you can show what is our Model Maths DP logo. I will show you. Okay. In the video also I will show you. So thank you very much.